Oh, what have we here? Yeah, it's the Lasko logo. It's on a box fan badge. Oh, and there's that familiar blade hub. Well, this all belongs to this fan. Yeah, and there's the penthouse control station. This here is I believe to be a 1977 Lasko model 4746. Yes. Since it's Lasko branded, the model number is 4746, as opposed to 3746 for the Galaxy brand. Those under the Lasko badge, the model numbers were 1,000 plus the model numbers for the Galaxy brand. Well, here's this one. I got this since since I have the Sears branded one I've always wanted. Thought, why the heck not get this version too? And plus, I have one from the 1980s under the Galaxy badge, so I thought it'd be nice to have one under the Lasko badge as well, along with both the Sears ones I have. So we'll have an overall look at this and we'll fire it up. Here's the left side. Yeah, still got a few dings and scratches in the cabinet, but nothing bad. There's the other side. Around to the back. And once again, it has the plastic shelled motor. However, this one's a little older. Let's see up close. This one has the covered rear bearing, or rear shaft, I mean. Unlike the Sears one I have, which has the rear bearing, the rear shaft exposed. Yeah, this one has the covering over the rear shaft. So that's why I more than likely think it to be a 77 model. It was probably late 76 that the plastic motors for the Galaxy Lasko box fans came out, and it was probably late 77 they decided to expose the rear shaft. Flip it back around. Shot of the penthouse control station. There's the master dial with speeds and the thermostat. And get another shot of the Lasko badge. Okay, now I believe we'll run it. Here's high. And like a lot of the fans own, this one has the higher running speeds. Lows like medium, medium's like high, and high's like super. And here's medium. low. Which kind of runs like medium. And we'll demonstrate the thermostat. Coast downtime is pretty decent. As you can hear, it does have a pretty good motor whine. Backed high. And as always, double up, smells off. I'll let you hear a close-up of the startup sound. Does seem to have a pretty good startup sound. I don't know how it's pronounced as some, but it's there. You can probably really hear it on low. Anyway, I'll let that come to a stop. So there you have it. This is my 1977 Lasko model 4746 20-inch box fan with a thermostat and penthouse control station. So, thank you for watching.